Hello everyone, welcome to Pi for You. Today, let us learn how to install Pandas. Pandas are the important library in data science. Before that, we have to install Pandas in our system. The installation is done through only the command prompt, maybe in terminal also. To begin installation, you need to type the command pip install pandas. This will install the associated libraries for the pandas and also the additional requirements and the support files. The user need not to explicitly install everything. So Python will do everything for the user. Hit enter. In case if you have installed already, this will show requirements already satisfied. So the associated library to use data science is PyTS, Python data utilities and NumPy and 6. So as it has installed already, so you don't want to install it once again. To recheck once, you can go for the command pip list. This will show the list of installed packages in it. I have installed pandas here. Let's go pandas. The latest version is 1.00 towards the date 5/2/2020. So let us begin working on pandas for the upcoming videos. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.